Touch leg and welcome to the Tibet Museum, the official museum of Central Tibetan Administration. This museum was conceptualized in year 1998 by Department of Information and International Relations and inaugurated in year 2000, April 30th by Great 14th Dalai Lama. Our vision is to preserve, research, innovate, document and educate and exhibit to both Tibetans and non-Tibetans on all the matter related to Tibet history, culture, tradition, religion and present situation inside and outside Tibet. For bigger and better space, the Tibet Museum is now shifted to Kangchen Kishong, the seat of Central Tibetan Administration, on 9th February year 2022 with the state-of-art exhibition focusing on uncensored version of Tibet on its entirety from several centuries ago to the present and looking towards the future. The Tibet Museum is made by and for the Tibetans, as more than 95% of artifacts, objects and photographs are donated by Tibetan in exile across India, Nepal and abroad. It is an experience of Tibet's recent past, the tragedy of occupation and oppression, but also a contemporary story of resistance and resilience and a future premised on hope. We intend to inspire action and engagement on broader and deeper questions of Tibet's future. Administratively, the Tibet Museum believes and follows the ethos of 3C: the collection, the conservation and the connection. The Tibet Museum have been fortunate for last 23 years to collect more than 40,000 images and slides and around 1,000 objects across the Tibetan settlement. In terms of conservation, we believe in preventive conservation through creating the microclimatic conditions with the use of modern technology like humidifier and air conditioning. To connect with our audience, we hosted bi-monthly Tibet Awareness Talk series. We curate the temporary exhibition and we engage with the audience through our traveling exhibition. We do not claim to be neutral. We deliberately challenge the Chinese distorted version of Tibet, past and present. Reclaim our right to tell our stories in our own words. We are Tibetan. This is our story.